Hi Judith. I've had a look at the questions that you sent me. Unfortunately, I don't have theory behind microeconomics, so this is something that you'll have to look up in your course notes and understand the meaning behind these terms. I suspect that in the first question, they're asking for the two lines, the blue line and the red line, to cross, and so you would have to figure out a way that those two lines can change their position in the graph and cross. So one thing that could happen, for instance, is that the PPF line, which represents Olivia, or PPFO is Olivia, if it were to go more like this, then those two things would cross. But again, you need to look up the theory in your notes. I'm sure it's in your lecture notes or in your text. And if you're not sure, then definitely get in touch with your TA or your prof to get clarification on that right away, okay? The second question that you sent is quite straightforward. It just has to do with where these two things cross, and that's right here. And that's at a point where the stuffed animals are 2, and I'm just trying to read what the other one was. Sorry, it's too small for me to read. The dolls per stuffed animal and the stuffed animals per hour. Where those two meet is at the point 2 and 3, and so that would be the solution that you're looking for that question, I believe. Again, I'm just guessing at the theory, and 2 stuffed animals per hour are produced as one of the answers that's possible here, and I think that that's probably the answer you're looking for. The third question is just asking you on the vertical axis here, and then the hiking boots down here. So for 0 hiking boots, we have T at 300, so we would put 1 point. And at 50 hiking boots, we would have T at 200, and so we're going to put another point, and these are just coming from these values here in the chart. Once you've got those points on there, you're going to join them. And I don't know if it's going to be a straight line or not. If we have 100 hiking boots, see if I can squeeze that in, and we have 100 kilograms of T, then that would appear to be here and here. It's looking very linear to me. And so just join your points once you've got the 4th one in there, and it should form a straight line.
Copied you in an email.
Yeah, I didn't have a chance. I saw it come across, but I haven't had a chance to read it yet.
It's from Kathleen.
Okay.
About jailer.
She's not here today, right?
No, she wasn't in period 1. I'll double check.
No, I went and checked. Yeah.
So, I struggle with Kathleen in this role.
Yes.
Just to be completely transparent, I won't be grumpy about it, but I do.
Go ahead and be grumpy, because I know exactly what she's doing, and that's not fair.
No. I blind copied, I sent you 2 emails, my apologies, but I blind copied our board supports because she's advocating for speech-language assessment because Jayla's report, sorry to jump in, Jayla's report came back, according to the report, she should be an LLS.
Yeah, I know, but that didn't seem...
It's wrong, and Melissa Bruder has reviewed it, our psychologist, and she said, that the psychologist who did the report was very clear that she did in the report that she actually doesn't believe the results, that she didn't know there were concerns about hearing, and she didn't know the full extent of the mental health at the time of the assessment, they didn't share those things.
Right.
And so Kathleen is fighting for a speech-language assessment, but a speech-language assessment from Melissa's point of view, I'm just giving you some context.